I got way too excited and already started unboxing before I remembered to start this video. Anyways, let's unbox our brand new Auto IQ Ninja 3-in-1 food processor and blender. By the way, this is not a paid ad. I can't wait to try out our first recipe using this blender, and if you would like to check it out, I'll be dropping the link in the description box. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing recipes. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.